We are in a bull market. No matter where price is right now, we are in a bull market. We have been in a bull market, and people left and right are making some amazing, exceptional gains. Some even becoming millionaires seamlessly overnight. But the question is, are you making these gains? Are you making these profits? See, whether you are new to crypto or whether you have been in crypto for a while, at the end of the day, I know we all love tech, I know we all have our favorite influencers, but are we profiting from this bull market? Are you making life-changing money? Because in a bull market, no matter which stage you are in, we have the capacity, the chance, the way to make life-changing money. And if you're not, you're doing something wrong. See, so many people right now, just like you, are getting into the wrong projects or are jumping from one project to another only to make measly amounts of profits, if anything at all. Or even worse, doubling down on certain cryptocurrencies that are effectively acting like a stable coin, are not giving any profits, getting scammed, basically losing their shirt and not being able to buy their girlfriend ice cream. And look, we all deserve ice cream. You deserve ice cream, I deserve ice cream, we all deserve ice cream. Except maybe XRP maxes. You can spot them walking around from the last bull run. No shirt, empty ice cream cone, looking for some sort of switch. And look, don't get me wrong, I'm not saying that XRP won't make you profits in this bull market. I'm not saying that the XRP army in general are all bad and broke. What I am saying, however, is that there will be cryptocurrencies that will outperform XRP this bull market. And some of the XRP price predictions I hear are complete horseshit, which is why I kind of pick on the XRP army a lot. That and the reason that they just are in denial and they just can't accept certain things. But that's a different story. See, right now, the second you're watching this video is the time to make life-changing amounts of money and profits in cryptocurrency. And the good news is, depending on when you're watching this video, this bull market comes in 3 stages. See, crypto markets, let me show you something. See, crypto bull markets come in 3 stages, okay? Stage 1, Stage 2, and Stage 3. The first stage is when we get a bottom. I called 15.6K, and we confirmed the bottom as soon as we broke 17K and 20K and made this support, okay? At this stage, Bitcoin goes up slowly. So you'll see Bitcoin go up like this, like this. Everyone's in denial. I even said back then that people will start saying the bottom is in the beginning of 2023. And we slowly went up, slowly and suddenly, and now we're at what, 34 to 37K, depending on when you watch this video. We should keep on going up till about the end of the year or about Christmas. I'm actually predicting 40 to 50K by the end of the year. This is not set in stone. This is just my thought process and my prediction here. Stage 2 is the halving stage. So after the halving, a couple of weeks or a couple of months after the halving, Bitcoin starts going up, taking cryptocurrency markets with it. Now, a lot of people here will tell you that during the halving or at the halving, that's when prices go up. But this is false. Usually it's a sell the news event. It's usually a little bit after the halving. Until then, it goes up in anticipation. People sell the news, and then it takes a while, maybe a few weeks or a couple of months for Bitcoin to start taking off again, okay? And stage 3 here is actually split in 2 stages, okay? The first half and the second half. This is the bull market. This is the hyper bull market, okay? This is when every single coin goes up like crazy. Everyone's making amazing gains. Your Uber driver starts giving you crypto and investment advice. People are making a lot of gains. People are making a lot of profits. The XRP army are still looking for that switch, but basically you get the drill. Now, the good news is you can make amazing gains and profits in any one of these stages. It's just that the strategy changes and the system changes just a little bit depending on which stage you are in. The bad news is you need to be prepared for these stages, and the longer you wait, the less profits you make. See, even though you can still make huge profits, you're not going to be ready. You're not going to be ready because you don't have a strategy in place and you're running after the markets. You need to be prepared before, both mentally with a strategy, and have everything going for you to make the most gains possible and to avoid getting wrecked, because that's also a possibility, believe it or not. And if you don't believe me, look, 95% of traders and investors get wrecked. This is statistics. This is fact. And that Lambo you were dreaming about, forget about it. You're going to end up driving a Fiat. The Rolex you wanted, forget about that. Better get yourself a Casio. And as for ice cream, you can definitely forget about that. Look, I've been in this industry since 2017, not just as a trader or investor, but I've literally been in this industry working C-level positions in major countries, in major cryptocurrencies since. I have a YouTube channel talking about cryptocurrency. I have background in tech. I have background in technical analysis and fundamental analysis, consumer psychology, you name it. And look, I've seen the mistakes people make time over time again and completely getting wrecked or missing opportunity, and quite frankly, it makes me sad. But at the end of the day, 95% of you watching this video right now, you're not gonna make it. That's not me saying that. That's statistics saying that. That's facts. Whether that's as an investor in cryptocurrency, a trader in cryptocurrency, a trader or investor in markets, even life, most of you are not going to make it. You're just not. I'm not being mean here. I'm not being mean. Those are the actual statistics. But if you're still watching this video right now, if you're still actually watching this video, good news is you do have a chance. There is a chance you will actually make it because you're paying attention, you're watching videos, you're probably doing research, and if you keep watching this video and pay attention and make the right decision today, you have a chance. See, I'm developing an online crypto course. By the way, most people that haven't left yet, they just left now. So it's just me and you here. And I'm actually super excited because you're gonna actually like this. I think you're gonna like what you're gonna see here. See, I'm developing a course called Crypto Mastery. And I'm telling you right now, there's no other course out there like it. There's no other course out there like this one I'm going to talk to you about right now. See, this course is for beginners, intermediates, and even advanced crypto enthusiasts on how to make profits with cryptocurrency, how to take advantage of this bull market that we are in or bear market that is coming, and how to successfully navigate the space and make profits. That's it. That's what this crypto course is about. So basically, you will discover the strategies and system that I personally use to profit in cryptocurrency. You learn the TA, the technical analysis that I personally use to be able to use TA in cryptocurrency. And you will learn how to get into projects, how to find projects and get in early in cryptocurrency. And so much more. And the best part is that the course right now is at an early bird price. See, right now you can actually get this course, get this online course at a much lower price than where it's currently gonna go. Like whatever price you're thinking right now, less than that. And this is no gimmick. The price will go up. It's gonna go up multiple times as we are in the bull market. Now you may be thinking to yourself, Paul, okay, if this is not a gimmick and the price is gonna go up, why are you giving it at a discount today? Why are you giving it at an early bird price? There is a reason for this. Let me explain. See, I'm building this course and I'm gonna be updating this course over time. And over time, I want to make this the best course available online. Literally speaking, I want people to say this is the best course on crypto in the world. Now, in order to do that, in order to achieve that, I need your help. See, I need feedback, I need reactions, and hopefully testimonials. And the best way to do that is get people into the course at an early bird price, and hopefully they will give me feedback once they are in over time. And now you're probably thinking, okay, Paul, well, if that's the case, why don't you just give out the course for free? That way you can get a lot of feedback. And look, I could do that. I could give this course for free today. But in my experience, there's a couple of problems with that. See, number one, very rarely do people complete a free course, let alone provide feedback on it. Number two, I need people to give me feedback as a paid course, not as a free course. And number three, people seldom take free advice. I mean, think about it. How many times has somebody given you free advice that clearly knows about a subject more than you do, but you end up not taking that advice and doing your own thing? I mean, how many times, if you watch my channel, how many times have I given you amazing calls, but you never took action, you never acted on them, and then you wish you did at a later time? No one takes free advice. It's a fact. And even better, how many times have you actually signed up to a free course only to put it to the side and then years later you still haven't completed or even looked at that course? And then when you find it a few years later, you think to yourself, okay, I'll do it now, I'll do it next week, and then you put it off for another 5-10 years. By the way, I know I'm laughing here and maybe you're laughing as well, but it's the same with this course you're watching right now. See, a lot of you are probably thinking to yourself, okay, I'll think about it, and I'll buy this course later on. No, you won't. See, I've used this example before, I'm gonna use it again, but it's like wanting to buy a jacket. See, years ago, I flew back to the UK from Greece and I wanted to buy a jacket. It's cold in the UK. So I was walking down Oxford Street and in the window, in a shop window, I saw this amazing jacket. I mean, this jacket was something else. So I walked inside the shop to look at the jacket. It was black suede, but not just black, deep black. I put the jacket on, it draped well, I looked in the mirror, I swear I looked just like John Travolta in his good days. I mean, I suddenly had hair and everything. So I asked for the price. The girl at the shop looked at me and said that would be £2,960. I slowly took the jacket off and very gently put it back onto the counter. I looked the girl straight in her eye and said, I'll think about it. I'll be back later. Do you think I went back? No, I didn't. And you probably won't either. Because chances are, if you need to think about something with a discount at an early bird price, you're not going to come back later and rethink about it at a higher price. Does that make sense? And if it's a price thing, if it's too expensive for you right now with a discount, then it's definitely going to be too expensive for you later on with no discount at the list price. Now you're probably wondering, well, Paul, what is the price? How much does this cost? Well, that depends when you're watching this video and where you're watching this video. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click the link down below in the description. It will take you to a page with the current price. Maybe you got the discount. Go there right now and check that out. If you end up not buying this course today, if you don't buy this course, that's okay. This course is not for everybody. I put out over 1,000 free cryptocurrency videos on my YouTube channel, The Crypto Factor, so I'm pretty sure you'll find something that you will like there. So if you haven't already, maybe consider subscribing down below and hitting the bell notification button so you don't miss any more videos. Now, if you do sign up to the course, welcome. I'm super excited. I can't wait to get your feedback and tell me what you think about my strategies, about my systems, and how I profit in this market. I'm really excited to get to know you, see you, and get your feedback. That said, thank you, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.